cry. It made me cry. It's a bit strange. It made me cry. It's a bit strange there. It's so colourful. We just had to be robed. We got in trouble because we hadn't bought our ticket for our robe. Got a bit and then she wasn't on the list. No, I wasn't on the list. Oh no, I just had a right club.
I don't know what to tell you if you're paying for it.
Oh, yeah, 25 pounds.
Take her out of Mother Flowers.
Yeah, and have a little, let me have Charlotte in still. Don't got me out. Oh, you just made me skew. Oh no.
Have a Mother Flowers. Have a Mother Flowers. You're taking it.
No, I haven't packed it. What is that? Pack?
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, you have that as well, do you?
Good.
Turn round.
Graham, out the way, please. I love it, I love professional. Please go for a win.
Tony, you get in and let Jean take one of you as well.
Go in, Tony.
Let Jean take one of you.
Yeah. She's such a floozy, isn't it? Yeah. Always off her shoulder.
Sideways so we get to see.
Here we are, found it.
Photography, a day of photography where we honour celebration, and a day where we honour. I'm delighted. You may not realise that in the production, you may not realise Chichester Festival Theatre. That in the production schedule of the Chichester Festival Theatre, they have to design their performances to make sure that on this occasion, if you haven't seen Catherine Howard. If you haven't seen Catherine Howard, there are some seats available for the matinee. If you haven't seen Catherine this afternoon, then I would. And if you haven't seen Catherine Howard, then I would urge that you take opportunities to have a look at. For the graduates, I have to warn you that if for the graduates, I have to warn you that if in your time at Chichester Theatre, you have not been to the Chichester Festival Theatre, there is a trap door and by some miraculous means, it will be known whether you have it as Deputy Vice-Chancellor. I declare the congregation. Mr. Deputy Vice-Chancellor, I declare the congregation open.
Julie, Linda.
Look at all my stuff.
So cheap.
Look at all my stuff. Yeah.
It's
Forget who's met who. Forget who's met who.
Really is lovely. Beautiful. It really is lovely. Nice, isn't it? I've got mine down. So nice, isn't it? I've got mine down, haven't you?
Yes, I've got mine.
Yeah.
Carry on. Mine.
Checks remember for Ray.
Yeah.